My first Bakasi.
Send it. Oh. Did you eat all the bones? And ihapin mi diri sa Entoy's
Bakasihan. No,
Bakasihan daw. Bakasihan. Huh?
Bakasihan. Not Bakasihan.
Place of the eels. So we are gonna go catch some live eels.
Yep.
And then we're gonna fry them.
And then we're gonna eat them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, nice.
But we'll see. Maybe it's cool. I don't. Yeah. So, not Baki. What is it? Bakasi.
Bakasi.
Bakasi is the
Bakasi.
delicacy of Cordova. So this will be. I've never had Bakasi.
No, never seen it.
Yeah.
Give it a go. Sige, so mo ni siyang buhianan sa Bakasi. This is sweet. Murag ark ni Noah. Yes. You can grab it? Oh. Sige, ako hikapon karon.
Hikap. Hikap.
Okay. Whoops. Oh yeah. Oh.
Ay lang sa piso, ay lang piso, kamala na lang.
Oh, there.
Ha?
Apo dyan mo, sahon, basta di lang pisoon siya. Ay lang piso, kay paak na.
Mamag sila.
Maak na, basta magpiso. Basta ka nang magputan sa maayo. Makabahugot sila pagputan na. Nang lang siya, na rin siya.
They like it like that? Why?
You can do it.
Ew! Ew! Oh, I didn't get any. I got one. I think it's dead. Snap! Surprise! He's gonna demonstrate.
Ya dayon ikuan ya. Inyaguho nimo pakita po ito inyaguho sa buhian na.
Nadakpan usab. Kedua na ni.
Kaduha na.
Rato, oo, nato isod balik, ato isod ya.
Oh.
Wala, nasod.
Na sila. Oh, nagid.
Oh, ato ihuwan.
Sige, balik sa imong balay.
Oh, na, di man na to.
So they bait them with some shells inside, and then it goes, the eel goes in, and then it can't get out because the side is blocked. And then if you look carefully inside, it's like not pleasant.
And then they put them into
Here, Noah's Ark.
Noah's Ark.
Okay, so now that we have caught our what? Bakasi.
Baki.
Baki. Our Bakasi. We have to eat it. So this is the most special recipe. What is it called?
Nilarang na Bakasi.
Nilara Bakasi, which is like soup, I guess.
Sabaw.
Sabaw. Is it halang?
Kini giprito.
Diniritong Bakasi.
It
Buhay
looks
pa na.
like it's still alive. Oh, that's big, but okay.
Just slurp it.
Literally looks like it's still alive when you move it around.
Ooh. Alright.
I just get 1/2. 1/4 of beer to spoon. Okay. My first Bakasi.
Send it.
Oh, it has a lot of little bones.
Bukog din. That was just all meat.
I don't know it's meat, but it's got lots of little bones.
Are you supposed to eat the bone?
No.
No?
You have to scrape it using your mouth.
Did you eat all the bones?
I just swallow it now.
Okay, nice. I want to try it. I'm gonna try the.
This one's still got a face.
I'm gonna try this one.
This has a face. You have to eat the face
Oh,
part.
I'm gonna try the frito.
So what are you gonna do?
Alright, this one's frito, this one's fried. Morning, sausawan.
Eh,
Okay, I'm just gonna lather this bad boy up. Oh wait, pwede ka uno ng buko gani kay frito man.
Yeah.
So I can eat the bones.
Tastes like chicken or what?
What should Bisayang manok?
Is it like just like something fried?
Yeah, just fried something.
Yeah, maybe I would like that one because of the texture.
Let me try this one.
Okay. Look, it's got a little face.
Oh wow.
He's like whole, you know?
kind of bite me. I'm gonna just slurp it, right?
I ate all the bones for you. I'm not sure that's how you're supposed to eat it.
Like corn on the cob.
What are you doing? Like that? I don't think that's how.
It works.
Like that?
Wait, they know.
That's how you eat it?
You're not supposed to eat the bone. It's not bad. I mean, it's actually good. The taste is kind of weird.
Yeah, that's... Do I put it on my actual plate? What are you doing?
Finger licking good.
Mean! Mean!
Cheese.
Oh, your voice is not good.
Alright, show us this one.
Have a pregnant Bakasi. I have to... Oh.
Slurp it.
I can't slurp the eggs.
Slurp it.
I can take the eggs out.
It's balut of Bakasi.
Eat the eggs. Ming, shush. I just take... I think your part was better. It was more firm, you know? Oh no, that's the bigger egg. I'm gonna try the fried one now. It's easier to eat.
It's a flavor.
Yeah, this is good. This is like when my mom cooks dried fish. Or like fried
Anything.
anything. This one's good.
You like it better?
Sure. But I like it a lot better than soup. Yeah, I think my first experience eating all of the bones was not ideal. It's so bright. Baba, ale.
Sige, so niabot na may diri sa 10,000 Roses.
It's my first time here.
It's my second time.
Who'd you take the
I'm not
first
gonna
time?
tell you who I took.
Who?
Beep.
But wait, there's more. I got a dog.
Very big dog.
It's huge. Come on, Baba, say hi.
Baba, Baba.
Baba.
You were huge.
Baba.
Yes, but here's the 10,000 Roses. Zoe counted every single one to make sure that they weren't lying.
There's 9,999
Yes, kulang usa.
because Baba took one out. Joking. But come, follow me. Baba, ale.
Wow.
Were you surprised to see me with a dog?
No.
Oh.
I was surprised he was that big. They said you were with a dog.
Something very bad has happened.
Nalibang si Zoe.
I did not know.
Nalibang gid si Zoe diri sa 10K.
No.
Bastos kayo.
Baba, what did you do? Who? Oh, heck. And as a responsible owner, I have to clean it up.
Hello. Say hi. Sinulog, shagero kusog.
Hello everybody. So we have finished up with our Cordova tour, which was a lot of fun. We went to the mangroves. I can't remember if we vlogged it or not, but we went to the mangroves and it was low tide, so we couldn't take the kayaks out. But it was really cool to see them thriving. And now we're back at the resort and Carson's there. He's droning, so we'll show you that later. But check out the beach. And that child. So nice. Whew, B-roll. So we didn't realize how big this place actually was. It's enormous. We had to take a golf buggy here, but we'll show you here. Good heck, so bright. Nope. Yep. Okay guys, I've actually found an obstacle course which we had no idea was here, and I don't think Carson knows where it is because he's really far away still. So, I'm gonna try and do monkey bars and see how I go. And Carson's gonna watch this and be like, what the heck? Let's see. I genuinely can't believe I successfully completed the monkey bars. That was sick. Oh my gosh. I'm not Tisoy. I'm Ongoy. Anyway, back to you, Carson. I'm a swan. We are now at the rooftop bar. We're having a date night, right? So we're having dinner here because it has a nice view. It's beautiful. We'll show you English. We'll show you our food in a second, but first, the view. Or maybe you won't be able to see the view very well.
No, you won't.
Okay.
Just imagine it's nice. We're gonna show you the food.
It's the city. It's beautiful. It's sparkling. But here's the food. Am I okay?
Food vlog by Mom Joe. Hit it.
Hey, so we got a Greek salad. I've been craving one of these for like.
Focus. Ew, that looks delicious.
I have wanted a Greek salad for as long as I've been stuck in the Philippines.
Next up,
Calamari.
a squid.
A squid. Nokos.
Squid na social.
Squid na social.
Next up,
A drink.
berry smoothie. And a salmon.
Of course, Carson got the salmon.
Can never pass up on
He's
salmon.
a creature of habit. And yeah, no rice. What's up?
Because everyone's saying natambok kami,
I know.
which is true.
Yeah, you're not wrong. But I just want you to know that you've peer pressured me into ordering a salad. Thank you.
We're gonna enjoy this meal. It is date night. So we're gonna finish up here. Dreamy Muhuman. Dreamy Muhuman vlog. Give na kay dugang. Wala man. Sige, salamat sa pagtanaw.
Oh, kaon na ta? I'm joking. I'm joking. Oh, amping mo tanan. Cute Chucky song. Woo! How does it go? Ayo, ayo. Amping per me.
Ayo, ayo. Amping pirmi sa inyong paglakaw. Kada tika